Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send WhatsApp messages from Zapier using the Wati Zapier app. This is an incredibly useful automation that allows you to send WhatsApp messages automatically whenever something happens in another app, like when a new row is added to a Google Sheet or a form is submitted. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that has access to the apps you want to connect. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard where you can manage all your automations. Now look for the Zap button and click on it. This is where you'll start building your automation from scratch. A Zap is essentially a workflow that connects two or more apps together, so clicking this button opens up the editor where you can configure everything. Next, you'll see the trigger button appear. Click on it to set up what will start your automation. The trigger is the event that kicks everything off. In the search bar that appears, type in the name of the app you want to use as your trigger. For this example, let's say you're using Google Sheets. Search for and select Google Sheets under the trigger section. After selecting your trigger app, you need to choose the specific trigger event. This could be something like new spreadsheet row, which means every time a new row is added to your sheet, the Zap will run, select your desired event, and click continue. You'll then be prompted to connect your Google Sheets account if you haven't already. Follow the steps to authorize the connection, and once that's done, test the trigger to make sure Zapier can pull data from your sheet correctly. This testing step is important because it ensures your automation will work smoothly. Now comes the action part, which is what happens after your trigger fires. In the action section, use the search bar to find Wati, type Wati, and select the Wati app from the results. This is the app that will handle sending your WhatsApp messages. Once Wati is selected, you need to choose the action event, click on Send Template Message as your action event, then click Continue. This action allows you to send pre-approved WhatsApp message templates to your contacts, which is essential for staying compliant with WhatsApp's business messaging policies. Next, you'll need to sign in to your Wati account to connect it with Zapier. To do this, you'll need two pieces of information: your API endpoint and your bearer token. Head over to your Wati dashboard and navigate to the API docs section. You'll find both your API endpoint and bearer token listed there. Copy these details carefully. Go back to Zapier and paste your API endpoint and bearer token into the fields provided. Make sure there are no extra spaces or characters. Once you've entered both, click Yes, Continue to Wati. Zapier will then verify your credentials and establish the connection between the two platforms. And that's it. You've successfully set up the connection between Zapier and Wati to send WhatsApp messages automatically. From here, you can continue configuring your message template and mapping the data from your trigger app to personalize each message. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.